Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The King of How To. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a frame for your canvas painting. My wife did this painting at the paint and wine night one day and we decided to hang it in our room, but it never had the frame. So I decided to make an expensive frame from 1x2s that makes the painting fit in much better. Please enjoy the video. First step is to measure our painting so we can figure out the lengths for our wooden frame that we're going to build out of these 1x2s. They're actually 1 5/8 by 5/8. So when I measure my painting, it is 20 inches. I'm going to add 5/8 on this side and 5/8 on this side, so I can make my side pieces just a little bit longer. I'm going to measure all the sides and then cut the wood so we can get it ready for staining. Now that I have my pieces cut, I am going to dry fit them just to make sure I got a good fit, so nothing is too long or too short. This is the time where I can adjust all that. So when I try out the frame, everything looks really good, really tight fit around the painting. Next, I'm going to sand these pieces, so when I stain them, there's no little hairs or rough pieces that are going to stick out. So when I sand it, and then we're going to move on to staining. Now that our pieces have dried, we are going to apply a clear coat to our pieces so it's nicely sealed. Once this is done, we'll assemble the frame. For my next step, I'm going to apply a small amount of wood glue on my edge, and I'm going to nail my frame together. I'm going to do this by using 1-inch black nails, because when I put them in there, you won't be able to see them too much. You can also use a compressor with a nail gun. Using pin nails, you will absolutely see nothing. You can use only wood glue, but just for the extra support, I will use small nails. After attaching the top piece of my frame, I'm going to insert my canvas into the frame so I can make sure my bottom piece is nice and tight. Now I can put my bottom piece in. Again, I'm going to apply a small amount of wood glue to my edges and then put my 2 nails in like I did on the other sides. Now that my frame is assembled, I can line up my picture. I am going to leave maybe a 1/4 inch space around the painting all the way around the frame. So I'm going to center it the best I can. And now I'm going to put a couple black nails along this edge and all the way around just to hold my canvas in place so it doesn't move anywhere. I'm going to put 3 nails on each side just to hold it in place. So I did 3 nails on this side. I'm going to repeat the other step on the other side. And there we go, it's nicely lined up. It's not going to come out. If you want, you can add a couple extra nails on top and the bottom for safety if you like, but you don't have to. And there we have it, the final product. As you can see, the frame matches very well. It looks great. Very cheap solution to your canvas paintings. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for future videos. Thanks.